stop trying to lose weight and do this instead. You've been going about your weight loss journey entirely wrong, and today we're going to fix that. Now, in this video, I'm going to go through 3 things that you need to be doing in order to have a successful weight loss journey. Now, watch this all the way through to the end because the last thing that you need to be doing is going to make everything that we talk about today make sense. First thing is we need to build consistency correctly. What I'm talking about here is think about where you're starting at in your fitness journey right now in this very moment. Are you a couch potato? Do you have a hard time getting up the steps? Do you even go to the gym? If you go to the gym, do you know what you're doing, right? How often are you getting active in general? So if you are a ground zero, I don't do anything at all, then for example, I would say, hey, we probably don't need to go to the gym 5, 6, 7 times a week because you don't even have a gym membership yet, right? And so we want to start somewhere that's more realistic because when it's realistic, we can stick to it. Another example could be, hey, maybe you are going to the gym 3 times a week, but all you do is you go into step on the treadmill and that's it, right? You don't touch the machines, you don't touch the weight because you don't know what you're doing. And this leads me to my second thing, which is you need to build muscle. I cannot tell you how many ladies I've worked with over my 10 years in this profession, and we want to tone up, we want to lose the stomach, we want to slim down the lower belly, we want to unbig the back. There's a lot of things that we want to get into, right? But when we come into our first training session and I'm reviewing our fitness assessment footage and looking at how well you're performing, our knees don't touch the ground when we do our lunges. When we squat, we don't get full depth. Our ankles don't have mobility. We stretch. We can't touch our toes. We do a couple of jumping jacks. We have to take a break. So when it comes to toning up your body and slimming down, those are great goals to have and achieve. But this ground zero, we won't be able to do any kind of workout activity in general if we can't nail these core things down. So I also recommend that your stretch goal, hey, long term, I do want to tone up. I want to slim down. But I also realize that I don't have a lot of endurance. I don't have a lot of energy throughout the day. Or I try to do a squat, I can't go full depth. Let's master our body mechanics. Let's get stronger, right? Let's get more flexible. Let's get more energy throughout our day. And by focusing on these things, it actually turns out you will start toning up. The cool thing is you're not focusing on toning up. You're actually focused on just getting better and getting stronger. Now, the third and final thing that you need to be doing is focusing on nutrition. And this is not, hey, you need a diet, you need to cut this out, you can't have this, you can't eat that, you can't go there, no more dates. I actually encourage you to keep doing those things. The mindset that you need to develop when it comes to nutrition is to stop trying to subtract and restrict things from your lifestyle. You work hard as hell, you're busy at work, maybe taking care of your kids, you got friends to tend to, you have organizations, you're busy. You deserve to have those things and treat yourself. So stop limiting yourself from those things. I need you to not subtract, but add in things that are more healthy and more beneficial to you. That means you can't wake up and choose violence. You can't wake up and go get the latte with the cookie and start your day like that. No. The things that you're looking at, the research, the information, let's start applying those things in the forefront in the morning when we're a little bit more motivated. We have a little more willpower to get those things done. And then in the later parts of your day, you can relax a little bit and think, do I want to make this a completely healthy day or maybe an 80% of my day was healthy? Depending on the day of the week, and now if it's a Monday, I'm gonna go for the 100%. But Wednesday, Thursday, I'm not gonna lie, I have some of those times where, hey, I might go for the 80%. I want those wings tonight. It is what it is. Or you know what? So-and-so at the office really stressed me out. I'm gonna get my little skinny bar. I'm gonna get my glass of wine. Okay, I'm gonna do that. That's okay. Because if we look at the first point that we talked about, being consistent, last week, let's say you weren't doing anything. You had no awareness that you were unhealthy and leading an unhealthy lifestyle in general. But this week, you have 3 days so far where you're on point. You are already doing like 50% better than you were last week. That's good. Pat yourself on the back. Keep going. Now, if you're stuck with where to get started with nutrition, check out my link below. There's a video guide on meal plan mastery I created, which also has a PDF attached to it that you can go through with me in order to learn more about nutrition. So I hope these 3 things help you. So let's make sure we're being consistent correctly. We're building muscle and becoming a stronger version of ourselves. And then also we're adding to our lifestyle with healthy eating and not subtracting. This is Roger TrueFit, here to help you lose weight in our lifestyle. Subscribe for more. Follow me on my socials, Instagram, Twitter, we're everywhere. Facebook. Check out the free Facebook group, link in the description below. And I'm seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.